Most individuals have heard me talking about how I earn money on social media, or in particular with smartphone, but others wonder what exactly, how and what, how do you do it? I know you have this same smartphone. Any type of smartphone that you hold in your hands can make money, whether it is Android or it is iPhone. But in today's video, I'm going to come to address the most important apps that I have that give me money. There are 5 important apps that give me money. I'm very sure you have them. They are free to access. You don't need to pay any money for you to access. However, some of them, if you want to go premium, you need to pay some amount of money. But me, I can say if you're starting and you want to try them out, you don't need to make any transaction as far as finance is concerned. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Immaculate, the one you would call Christine on Immaculate Show, the lady that says I cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. In today's video, I'll be discussing with you the 5 most important apps that have helped me earn money for more than 1 year. You can use them, I can use them, anybody can use them. But welcome to this mind blowing video. You guys forgive my low attitude. I'm a bit not feeling well, but I have to come and at least I share with you what keeps me moving, what gives me money, what makes me get the guts of coming and telling you that with your smartphone you can earn money. But before I dive into these 5 apps that I'm selling to you today, I would love to put a disclaimer. This video is for education purposes. If you want to take this 10% I'm giving you. You can go and research. When you really sure you feel you can do it, go ahead and do it. If you feel you can't do it, it's okay. But the 90% is yours to look for. So mark it as an educational video. I'm not a kind of a person who's coming to tell you that I'm a financial guru, I'm a financial consultant, what I'm giving you is final. No. You might start and don't get money. Why? Because of the best practices that you're supposed to do. So it's not a guarantee. Go and research. However, I always say, whenever you hear they are telling you there is money, if you focus and you are sure that there is money, you can put a limit of target that you want to have. So let's dive in and see. The first app is Facebook. Today I want to say Facebook. Most of you have Facebook and have been with it for a long time. Some of you use it to keep your videos there, to keep your photos, your memories, because you know this is one of the engine that keeps memories. However, you did not know that 2% of the population on Facebook earn money. They earn money from whatever you can post. Is it a Facebook reel? Is it a video? Is it a post? Is it a photo? All these ones can make you earn money, including blogs. So whenever you see that you have a Facebook, please know that you can earn from it. And how do you earn it? You earn from monetization, content monetization. However, there are other ways for you to earn from there, like bonuses. We are given, Facebook always give us bonuses, and they have terms and conditions. We have membership. We have what we call gifts, or commonly known as stars, and many more others that you can earn from there. The second app, but before I go to the second app, allow me appreciate our top engagers of Immaculate Show and Immaculate Show family. These people have been with us for some time since we started up to now. So I love you so much, you guys. Thanks for making this work. Engagement is the key to success on social media platforms. The second app is YouTube. I know almost all of us that have smartphone always YouTube. How do you use YouTube? Some people use YouTube to consume, to watch, to entertain themselves, and to search for other things. But as you do that, there is a percentage that is earning from your actions, from what you're doing. So what I do, I download or I upload videos on YouTube, and I've been earning from YouTube for some 3 good years now. And what I always sell on YouTube is AdSense earning, because there are other earnings that are there, like affiliate marketing, putting shops, membership, including all others. There are a lot of things that you can, the different ways of you, and even picks, different ways you can earn on YouTube. But for me, I say you can just use your content and get money. Others would be secondary. But as a beginner, you can earn from AdSense earnings. AdSense earnings is when you upload a short or when you upload a video and you get money. Then the third one is what I'm going to say to you today is TikTok. TikTok for me, yes, you can get creator fund, but creator fund is limited to some countries. It's not globally. But I put it as royal earnings. That is where you can fetch people from TikTok and go to Facebook and go to YouTube. However, you can earn from TikTok in form of stars. People have gotten gifts from TikTok, enough gifts, and they have also put up their shops they are selling from TikTok. So this is the app that everybody need to have. When it came, most individuals thought it came for fun. People are there for vibes. That's why you'll find some people are asking, at your age, why are you on TikTok? Because they don't know the main objective of these platforms. Then another app that I have that makes me make money is CapCut. CapCut is an app which is a mobile editing app. You can use it even on your PC, but me majorly I use it on my mobiles, since I'm still editing things like on short notice. But if you are in a long time, you make your content be long term, as in terms of you're seated there 24/7, you can even download CapCut on your PC. So how does this CapCut help me to earn money, you guys? It is just a twinkle of an eye. Like this, I'm going to finish like this. I'm going to put it in CapCut. It is a free version. However, you can go for standard or you can go for premium, such that you get bigger features. It helps you in editing. It helps you, and when you're editing, you know, your video needs to be in a real resolution of required app that you're going, the platform, social media platform that you're going to upload it. Like on Facebook, you know, you need to know which type of ratio should I put. So CapCut does that. Is it captions? CapCut does that. Is it making your video look nice, like editing it in terms of being bright, in terms of being smoothing your skin and other things? CapCut does it. Then we go to the next one, is ChatGPT. These are these are most important apps that make me get money. ChatGPT should have come as the first, because it's the mother of all this. If I don't have ChatGPT, it means I'm going to be short of video ideas. I'm going to be short of good text for Facebook. I'm going to be short of very many things. So ChatGPT helps me to draft video ideas and even make a video transcript, video transcripts. It even goes ahead to make for me metadata when I want, without forgetting another one which is called TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy, it is also an app that helps me to rate my videos as far as YouTube is concerned. To what extent is the title metadata not applicable, the thumbnail and other things. So these are the ones. Now I'll give you a pro tip. I mean a bonanza for them is Gemini. Gemini has helped me so much to push my Facebook. You can also take it up. It is my secret buddy. Gemini makes my photos look wow. I just upload my photos and I tell it what I want the photos, how I want them to look like, which background I want, and it helps me ease my work as far as Facebook text and photos is concerned. So these are the apps. There are more than 6 apps, but for today I'm bringing for you these important 6 apps that have helped me make money. You can also make use of them. You can try them and come back and give us at least your review. Thank you very much. See you in another video.